A tropical low is causing some heavy rainfall across Western Australia. This photo came through to us on Thursday of Port Hedland, which was the first place to be majorly hit by this tropical low up in the Pilbara. This photo, the day after Friday, the same exact place. Look at that moisture just basically completely gone. Some minor flooding left over, but not too much at all across Port Hedland International Airport. Now, this same tropical low continues to bring heavy rainfall, but specifically to the southern coastal districts and also the goldfields districts across Saturday. A severe weather warning out on Saturday morning for heavy rainfall for these districts. In the goldfields to 9 a.m. across between 9 a.m. Friday and across the early hours of Saturday. Mount Keith, 57 millimetres of rain already picked up, and Leinster Airport, 58 millimetres of rain. Showers and storms will continue. Kalgoorlie, 21 degrees. Showers and storms also in the northern parts of Western Australia, but along that west coast we're keeping nice and dry. Perth, a forecast maximum of 26 degrees. Then we do have a front moving through, and it is bringing showers across the western coastline, right out to those southern coastal districts. Keeping nice and dry though in the interior, not quite getting there. Kalgoorlie a top of 24 degrees. Showers and storms for the Pilbara and also up in the Kimberley. Fitzroy Crossing, you're looking at a maximum forecast of 37 degrees. Showers and storms with heavy falls expected also for the top end, also specifically in the eastern parts of the top end. Tennant Creek, nice and dry across both Saturday and Sunday, but on Sunday evening and afternoon you might get a storm developing as the monsoon travels further towards the south and extends that moisture right down into some of the interior parts of the Northern Territory. Alice Springs, you're getting away from it though, 39 degrees and a partly cloudy forecast. Preparations are well underway across the northeast tropical coast of Queensland for Tropical Cyclone Debbie, that is currently a low pressure system about 650 kilometres off the coastline of Queensland, set to bring very heavy rainfall, destructive winds and damage to property and crops due to the storm surge. Now that is set to be across the earlier days of next week. Forecast to about Tuesday, but with high uncertainty at the moment, and could be developing into a Category 4 cyclone as it makes landfall during that time. Prior to that, we will be feeling the impacts of that low across the northeastern coastline of Queensland. That'll be more into Sunday, though on Saturday, a few showers along the coastline, keeping dry in the west and also the interior. Across on Sunday, when we'll be feeling those gustier conditions along the northeast tropical coast and that heavier rainfall. Cooktown, a top of 33 degrees. Keeping dry in Brisbane, though, a top of 33 with partly cloudy conditions. This photo brought through to